still right here, right now. Hold still right here, right now.
Wow, it's crowded as Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Riding on the MT-10. I mean, you can see how crowded this is. Look at this. This is just, it's never like this. There's never any cars up this far. I always like looking at the big netting up there, keeping the boulders from falling on yours truly. The mic is attached to the GoPro with a special adapter that costs an arm and a leg. I am trying that today. And oh, made it through the bump. Ooh, dirt. Yeah, it's just too crowded to be doing any kind of flying around here. As you can see, like I said, that guy was pulling off and got dust, but I don't blame anybody. You know, I don't blame anybody. So I think this is the first weekend with the new open rules, although I don't know what they are. I've been riding all along. I wonder if I can cut. I'll be able to cut. That'll be so cool if I can cut. Can I cut? Nope. I do hear a siren. Is that behind me? Or? So here's the big project. So the water comes down here and it goes under. And they put these big pipes under there, but obviously that didn't work. So now they're trying to shore it up again. That was actual fireman. think I can turn my engine off. Bike injury. Looks like a bike injury to me. Wow, this video took a turn for the worst. Wow. You probably wanted to land in the street. This is a motorcycle, right? Yeah. I hope the guy's okay, obviously. Can I get out that way? Can I go out?
No, you're just gonna hold still right here, right now.
It's windy back here. It's really to try to take off here. Well, yeah, some skilled pilot. If you say, tell me, jeez. Well, guys, that was a really dramatic ending of this video. And it's another reminder that if you haven't been riding for a while, to really take it easy when you first go out. It's going to take a few rides before you get acclimated again. But accidents like these happen a lot back here. I don't know whether it was because of the traffic or not, but it looks like he just took a turn too fast and low-sided.